Digistore24 is an affiliate marketing platform where you can earn money by promoting and selling digital products available on the platform. Here's a guide to earn money with Digistore24. Sign up as an affiliate. Register for a free affiliate account on Digistore24. Select products. Choose products from a wide range available in different niches that you believe you can effectively market. These can include ebooks, online courses, software, or other digital products. Get affiliate links. Once you've chosen the products, Digistore24 will provide unique affiliate links that you will use to promote these products. Promote the products. Utilize your website, blog, social media, or email list to promote these products. Use persuasive content to attract potential buyers. Earn commissions. When someone buys a product through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. Commissions can vary depending on the product and can be a percentage of the sale. Track performance. Monitor your affiliate dashboard to track sales and optimize your strategies for better results.